Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Comenity Wayfair credit card account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Comenity Wayfair credit card account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Wayfair credit card login. And now after searching for that option, just tap on this first option which says Wayfair credit card. Now to log in your account, what you can do is just tap on this sign in option which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on sign in, you have to enter your email address. After entering your email address, tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you have to enter a 6-digit password. After entering your email address, you just have to enter your password. After entering your password, you will find the login option. You just have to tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.